What's the meaning of body politic? Body politic. Body politic.
Body politic. Body politic. The term body politic refers to the collective entity of a nation or state, comprising all its citizens and governing institutions. It is often used as a metaphorical expression to describe how a society functions as an integrated unit, with each individual contributing to the overall well-being of the group. In political theory, the body politic is also associated with the concept of democratic governance, where power is vested in the people as a whole, rather than in a single ruler or elite group. Ultimately, the success of a body politic depends upon the ability of its members to work together towards common goals and interests, while respecting individual rights and freedoms.